Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Intrepid travel booking platform. In this video, we're diving into the Intrepid travel booking platform. You'll find links to their trips in the description below. Intrepid Travel stands out as a leading tour operator specializing in small group adventures. They cater to travelers seeking immersive, responsible, and off-the-beaten-path experiences. Whether your passion lies in cultural immersion, exhilarating outdoor activities, or sustainable tourism, Intrepid offers a diverse range of over 1,000 itineraries spanning all 7 continents. Accommodating various budgets and travel styles, from basic to premium comfort, Intrepid has something for everyone. The platform itself boasts a user-friendly design, enabling you to effortlessly filter trips based on your preferred destination, activity, duration, budget, and travel style. Choose from classic guided tours, tantalizing food adventures, invigorating active travel experiences, and even thrilling polar expeditions. One of Intrepid's key strengths is its unwavering commitment to responsible tourism. Each trip is meticulously crafted to minimize its environmental footprint while simultaneously supporting local communities. This makes Intrepid an ideal choice for ethically conscious travelers. A distinguishing feature of Intrepid is their emphasis on small group sizes, typically averaging around 10 participants. This fosters a more personalized and adaptable travel experience. Their knowledgeable local guides infuse authenticity into each journey, providing profound cultural insights and forging unique local connections that independent travelers might find challenging to establish on their own. Furthermore, many trips incorporate homestays, utilize local transportation, and patronize family-run restaurants, ensuring a genuinely immersive cultural experience. Intrepid also caters to different adventure levels and budgets. Their basics category is perfect for budget-minded travelers who prioritize value and don't mind simpler accommodations and transportation. Meanwhile, the original and comfort tiers offer more inclusions and elevated comfort levels for a more luxurious experience. This flexibility empowers travelers to select an experience that perfectly aligns with their individual preferences and budget. In conclusion, Intrepid Travel is an exceptional choice for those seeking meaningful, well-organized, and responsible travel experiences. With their focus on small groups, authentic local connections, and environmental sustainability, they offer a refreshing alternative to conventional mainstream tours. If you crave an adventure with a purpose, Intrepid Travel is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check the links in the description to discover their captivating trips and book your next unforgettable journey.